If you are trying to look cute on a budget, you need to get this hair. You need to get this hair. That's it.
Hot girl, hot girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Amelia and I'm back with another video. So I'm just gonna do a review on this hair, and it is from samsbeauty.com. It's called What Lace Swiss, well actually it's called Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig. This is the package it came in. So it's supposed to be different because like they plucked their lace, but I went ahead and plucked mine some more. And I tried to bleach this hair, bleach the knots, and y'all, I wasted my bleach because it did not bleach. It did not take bleach at all. So if you get this synthetic hair, don't waste your time trying to bleach it. I will recommend you plucking though, like trying to pluck the black spots out the lace. And then I would recommend you taking your foundation, of course, and just putting it on the lace. But definitely you don't need to bleach it because there was a waste of bleach, like I said. So yeah, the inside, there's 2 combs over here. They have a snap thing at the back that you can clip just like a regular wig, y'all. Just like a regular wig. Like, this is the hair up close. This is how long it is. Only problem I have with this hair is, of course, the ends. Synthetic hair gets nappy, so I have to constantly be brushing it, you know, but that's expected with synthetic hair. This hair like moves with you. This hair has volume, shake, whatever you want to say. It's definitely a like movie type of hair. Like when you do this, the hair moves with you. It's not stiff like other synthetic hair. I remember when I first started wearing like wigs and stuff, not even wigs, but like fake hair, I used to get synthetic, and like that synthetic that I had was terrible. Like you couldn't even run your fingers through it, but this one you can at least run your fingers through it. The color is 1. And when I tell y'all, this thing looks so bomb on videos and like stuff on Instagram, it looks so bomb. Like even the hair right now looks bomb. But the only problem I have with this hair is that it sheds and that it gets tangled at the end. But literally, it really doesn't get that tangled at the end a lot. Like, but this is technically only my second day wearing it. So if y'all want another review like later on, y'all can just go ahead and comment that down below. But I think this hair is like 26 inches because y'all see it. I posted videos on Instagram and I have been getting so many compliments, and everybody's like, I like your hair, it looks so good. Like the only people that I told was synthetic was my friends. Like I was like, y'all, I'm buying this synthetic wig. I bought this synthetic wig and I'm gonna do a review on it. So they wanted to see how it turned out, and they said it turned out pretty good. To me, this is looking good. And I swear this hair was like 58. It might have been more with tax. I think I had to spend like $60 to get free shipping, so I ended up buying other stuff. But I think this hair was like $55 to $60, and that is nothing compared to the wigs I be buying. They be like $150 and up. But like this hair literally, like I watched other videos on the hair and I was like, they're probably just hyping this up. Like they're just hyping it up. But this hair, you can literally part it back so far. Like you can part it so far. And like there's so much space for you to do anything. You can put it up. In the other video that I watched, the girl had put it up into a ponytail. But that might be another day. But yeah, like I said, the hair does shed. The ends does sometimes get tangled. But look at the ends right now. This is what you're gonna get. Like, what you're gonna get. I did straighten it a little bit, but when I got the hair was already like straight. It's giving me like a yaki, I don't know how you say that, yaki, like a yaki texture to the hair. That's what it reminds me of, but it's not like really rough, like a rough yaki texture. But yeah, I'm trying to make this video short. If you are trying to look cute on a budget, you need to get this hair. You need to get this hair. That's it. I know some people who can't afford like real hair and their wigs be looking a mess. So if you can't afford real hair and you want to look cute and look like an Instagram baddie, like go ahead and get you this hair. get you this hair. So the lace on the side is very like short. You only have a short perimeter to work with, but like up here, there's definitely enough space for you to do anything. But let me just brush this out so y'all can see when it's brushed. But y'all, y'all, if you are trying to ball on a budget, so I just put on my phone and the exact price for this hair was $54.99. Are y'all kidding me? $54.99? Yeah. So I would recommend this wig if you want to just have a wig that you can throw on and, you know, take pictures. And, you know, if you just walk somewhere or going on a date even. Or just going out with your friends. But definitely not to a party because the ends will start to get rough as you sweat. Because my real wig already do that sometimes. I would definitely not recommend it for a party. But like if you just want to go out look cute, throw your little wig on. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but this is a synthetic wig. Like this is not real human hair. This is synthetic, y'all. Synthetic. But yeah. That's basically all I gotta say. I would recommend this hair. I would give it an 8 out of 10, to be honest. And I might even buy it again. Because for pictures, this look bomb. So yeah, go ahead and get the wig. So that's all I got for y'all today, which is a short little video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry I don't know the length. I feel like it's 26 inches, but I don't want to just say that it's 26 inches. But yeah, for $54.99, you too can look like this. If y'all have any more questions about the wig, something I didn't mention, I'm not really good with videos like about hair because I feel like I leave out a lot because I just be rambling. But if y'all want to know anything else about the wig, just go ahead and comment below and I'll see you at the next video.